There's no doubt that doing it directly with the calculator is super simple and also very fast. Look, I did this complex number multiplication completely by hand, and I got 31 plus 5. Then I checked it directly with the calculator and I got the same result. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve it directly with the calculator, so please pay close attention to this tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is press here where it says Home. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says Complex. Look here, so we press it and that's it. We stop there because now we're going to enter the operation. In this case, I have 7 plus 3i. So we're going to open parentheses and put 7 plus 3. And look, the I is right here next to the 9. So I'm going to press where it says Shift. Now let's press the 9 over here. We already have 7 plus 3i. We close the parenthesis, open another parenthesis, and we're going to enter the other complex number, which is 4 minus I. We press 4, then the minus sign. Again, Shift, and again here on the 9 so that 4 minus I appears. We close the parenthesis and press Execute. Done. That's it. The solution to this first exercise is 31 plus 5i easy, right? Let's try another one. In this case, I entered 5 minus 2i squared. We have a complex number raised to the power of 2, and I got 21 minus 20i. Let's see if we get the same result. So, let's erase it because we won't need to press Home again, since we're already in complex mode. So let's open the parenthesis and enter 5. 5 minus 2i. 2, again. Shift and 9. We close the parenthesis and we're going to square it. We press Execute, and it's telling me that the answer is indeed 21 minus 20i. Wow. As you can see, we're getting exactly the same result. If you liked this video, please let me know down in the comments what else you want me to teach you about how to use Casio scientific calculators. Also, tell me which model you want me to make a video about. See you next time. Take care and behave yourselves. Bye-bye.